Welcome to Emigua Cartoon School. Today, listen, we are going to look at Autodesk Maya for the first time. If you already have this software called Autodesk Maya, what we're going to do is simply creating a new project. First thing is go to File and go to New Scene. Okay, when you open the project or the software for the first time, this thing will appear. So we are going to say don't save because it is something that we already open. So this is what will happen. The screen will look like this if you open this for the first time. So what I'm going to show you now is how to use those tools. There are tools right here. We have selection tool, which is this one, Q. By pressing Q on the keyboard, you will select the object. Let me go and create a primitive polygon. Let me go to create on the menu, and then look for polygon primitives. I will take cubes, click. So you can see that cube is right there. I zoom in by simply scrolling up using the mouse scroll button, just like that. So I can rotate it, or I can simply use 3D by viewing at the bottom of this object by simply holding alternative key on the keyboard. I hold it, and then by pressing left mouse button on the mouse. So when you press the left mouse button, you have to hold it like this. Alright, and you move your object or your mouse just like that. So this is very important tip that you have to put down. Simply press alternative keys and then hold a left mouse button and then rotate your mouse, or move your mouse like this, so you can see the bottom and the top or all the side of the object. So that's it. If we want to select the object, the first thing that we're going to do, we press Q to select this. This is Q. We have this object. This object, we use it for drawing. Let's say if you want to edit, you can simply draw on the object and you will select the object. So this is very important. It will help you. So this one is for simply drawing. It is called lasso tool. So remember that when you want to draw, and you can use that on we are using this tool on Maya only. So the other tool is paint selection tools, like this one, where we can paint our object or simple selecting our object depending on what we want to paint on this. So this is very important. You have to keep it in mind. The other tool is move tool. This is called move tool. Move tool, we can simply press W on our keyboard. By pressing W, this is what will happen. We can move the object anywhere, or this polygon primitive on the direction that we want. So W, it is for moving the object. This is called a scale, or we call it rotate tool. This is rotation. We use the rotation. Let's say we can do that. We can rotate, okay, using anything. This is what we call rotation. By simply pressing R on the keyboard, or yes, E on the keyboard, we can be able to rotate the object in the direction that we want. So keep this thing in mind. It is very important. The last object that we're going to use is scale tool, scaling, like this. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, just like that, right? You can use it in any way that you want. Okay, you can do that just like that. Okay, you can simply do any type of shape that you want your object to be. So this is very important. You can keep it in mind. So this is the lesson that I would like you to learn today. These are the 5 tools that you can use that are very important. So what I want you to remember in this lesson is how we can be able to select by pressing Q on the keyboard, just like it means that you select it. What about if I want to rotate? I will press R, so that no, R is by scaling. You can scale it. A is simply by rotating the object, as you can see. So just like that. So R is simply scaling the object. So alternative keys, holding alternative key and then pressing left mouse button and hold it. This is when you can rotate the 3D object in any direction that you want. So keep it in mind. Thank you for watching. Thank you.